Yo, what is up, guys? So today I'm gonna give a market update on Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency, crypto market, and the stock market. So Bitcoin is looking pretty good. It's just consolidating above all-time high. If you go on the weekly, as you can see, Bitcoin is just consolidating above this purple line and can potentially hit 100K over the next coming months. Yes, I know it sounds crazy, but uh, looking at the chart, it's definitely a there's definitely a small chance. I wouldn't say it's huge or slim. It's just a decent chance, right? That Bitcoin can hit 100K in like the summer of this year, which is crazy to think of because I don't think Bitcoin has ever done something like this where it has 7 green months in a row. And if my statement is correct that Bitcoin hits 100K in the summer, then Bitcoin will probably have like 10, 11 green months straight in a row, which is crazy to think about. But if that does happen, then the correction will come, like a really nice correction that might brings it down to 80K. And this is when people probably think, oh, 100K is the top. But then Bitcoin rallies about to retest 100K and then break out, and then the true peak comes at the 2618, the 155K level, and that is a possible chance. This is just a crazy speculation, but we just have to see what happened. Another thing that Bitcoin can do is break down to test 57K to 786, which I think will be a great time to buy if it does do this. But yeah, it really just, like I'm just saying, it can either go up or it can go down. But my theory is really a crazy 100K level, in the summer. And then Bitcoin dominance, if my 100K theory is correct, then I see Bitcoin dominance hitting the 60% level, which is the 618. And then that's when all season will start, right? Bitcoin at 100K, all season starting, Bitcoin dominance 60%, boom. A nice little correction, maybe even a crash. But we just have to wait and see what happens. I thought Bitcoin dominance will correct even more once it touched this blue line, but the fact that it's coming back up to retest it, means it's looking really strong. Bitcoin dominance is looking really strong, and if Bitcoin dominance break this blue line, then money will flow into Bitcoin, and the theory of 100K is it's gonna become true, right? It's gonna come true, and then the golden fib hit, and then boom, all season start. And I do believe during the peak of the all season, Bitcoin dominance can go down to as low as 30%, and we will have the biggest all season in history. But we just have to wait and see. And the total. So total right now is holding at the 2786 level. If Bitcoin hits 100K, then yes, total will break all-time high, and then potentially come up to 4 trillion market cap. I still think the peak in 2025 will be up here. So if I believe that the peak is up here in 2025, then we must assume that we're just gonna keep going green, right? We're just gonna keep going green. If the peak is up here, then there won't be any major correction like right here or even here, right? If the theory of this of price being up here in 2025 is true, then we have to assume that we're just gonna have these type of candles. But again, this is all speculation. Anything can happen. Total 3, same thing. It's holding right now. We can't go to 600 billion, which is a really good time to buy. But right now, I actually don't think it's. I actually think we're just gonna keep going green. Again, not financial advice, and we'll just have to wait and see. SPY. Okay, I'm gonna make this quick. It's looking really good. We came down to the orange. Looks like it's gonna break this white line and continue up. QQQ had a little fake out. A little bear trap. Looks like it's gonna break all-time high and then continue up.